Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Crafting Mayhem and More. This is the Dollhouse Rehab, and it's officially part 2 when I start to clean the dollhouse. Here I have my vacuum cleaner out and ready to go. So I start to vacuum the interior of the dollhouse because it has been sitting in the original owner's basement as well as mine. So to get everything out of the corners and the crooks and the crevices, I decided that a good vacuuming was necessary. And you guys can see me as I do this. Soon enough, I will be turning the dollhouse around so that I do get the front area too. Until I started editing this video that I realized that my milkshake might be bringing the boys to the yard and that I was giving you guys the full Monty. So in an effort to be modest, you will see some blurred areas because baby got back. Point, I have completed the process of vacuuming out the dollhouse. So I have a new paintbrush and a microfiber rag that I am going to use to make sure that I get every little particle out before I begin to wash down the dollhouse. This part was just a tad bit tedious and there were some tight spots in the corners, but I was able to get them and to get it done. I have completed the process of wiping it down with the microfiber towel and the paintbrush. So now I am going to start and wash with vinegar and water. You see there are spots and stains in various places, plus those areas that you don't really know that there's something there. All right, so I start on the front, and as you can see pretty quickly that there is an area at the bottom that needs a lot of scrubbing. So I'm just making sure that any stains that are on the dollhouse I am getting off, and making sure that I use that microfiber towel so that I won't leave any residue or lint from the rag. So guys, here is the finished cleaned dollhouse. I'm just going to give you a couple of angles. That room over there really needs stripper and primer. When I get ready to do it, the water is filthy, so it did need the wipe down. There are things stuck to the wall, that's loose. Even down at the bottom, the stair came loose. So if I need to take some apart, I will be able to put it together. I don't know what was there. Some repair is going to be needed there. Looks like something's missing from this side. Don't know what, but I'll just paint over it. Also, took a good look at the dollhouse in its entirety and trying to imagine what's going on. And then something happened in the yard that I was trying to figure out what was going on. So sorry for the seasickness. In any event, the shingles are in bad shape, as you can clearly see, and will be removed due to missing. I would like for you guys to join me soon on the part 3.